Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in $.bank and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Bank. Now right at the homepage, you will find the login portal. You can type in your user ID and password over here, or you can also click on login at the top right corner to go into another login portal. Now just type in your user ID that you have set while signing up for your account within the user ID box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Bank account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, click on forgot password and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.